LuxMed Sliding Double-Door Steam Sterilizer is commonly referred to by several alternative names, technical descriptions, and industry terms depending on its configuration and application, including double-door pass-through autoclave, HPHV, high-pressure high-vacuum, double-door sterilizer, and barrier autoclave. Pass-through autoclave, named for its double-door feature allowing loading from a non-sterile, dirty, side and unloading from a sterile, clean, side. Barrier sterilizer, BioSeal autoclave. Often used in high-containment laboratories, BSL-3, BSL-4, or pharmaceutical cleanrooms to maintain a physical and microbiological barrier between environments. Horizontal Rectangular Steam Sterilizer describes the chamber geometry typical of large-capacity sliding door units. CSSD Sterilizer, frequently referenced by its placement in a hospital's Central Sterile Services Department. Pulse Vacuum Dual-Door Sterilizer highlights the automated air removal vacuum feature utilized prior to steam injection. LuxMed Sliding Double-Door Steam Sterilizer is a heavy-duty, pass-through autoclave designed for hospitals, Central Sterile Services Departments, CSSD, and pharmaceutical labs to safely process bulk loads between clean and unsterile zones. Key features. Pass-through design. Double doors allow loading from the unclean, utility side and unloading from the sterile cleanroom side, preventing cross-contamination. Automatic sliding doors. Pneumatic or motorized vertical, horizontal sliding doors replace heavy manual hinged doors for ease of use. Chamber build. Heavy-gauge stainless steel, SS304 or SS316, built to withstand high pressure and vacuum cycles. Temperature and pressure. Standard operating range typically spans from 121 degrees Celsius to 134 degrees Celsius. Pressure up to 200 to 300 kilopascals, 3 bar. Capacity. Available in large capacities ranging from 150 liters up to 1,500 plus liters. Safety mechanisms. Interlock system. Prevents both doors from opening at the same time. Pressure lock. Blocks door opening while the chamber remains pressurized. Obstruction sensors. Automatically halts or reverses door movement if an object or user is detected in the path. Low water cutoff. Protects built-in steam generators from dry burn damage. Applications. Sterilization of wrapped or unwrapped surgical instruments. Processing glass vessels, rubber goods, and lab utensils. Pharmaceutical vial and ampule sterilization. LuxMed Sliding Double-Door Steam Sterilizer, pass-through autoclave, is a high-capacity institutional system used between a cleanroom, sterile side and an unclean, loading side in hospitals, CSSD, Central Sterile Services Department, and pharmaceutical labs to prevent cross-contamination. Design and construction. Chamber build. Heavy-duty, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, IC304 or 316 L grade. Door mechanism. Automatic horizontal or vertical sliding doors, pneumatic or motorized, with manual override options for power outages. Gasket sealing. Air-actuated or pneumatic heat-resistant silicone rubber gaskets ensuring a hermetic seal. Insulation. High-density mineral wool or rock wool insulation covered with a stainless steel outer jacket to minimize heat radiation. Technical parameters. Operating temperature. 121 degrees Celsius to 134 degrees Celsius. Working pressure. 1.2 to 2.2 bars, approximately 100 to 200 kilopascals, 15 to 30 psi. Capacity range. Typically available from 150 liters up to 1,200 plus liters depending on facility requirements. Control system. PLC or microprocessor-based touch control panels with digital cycle tracking. Safety and interlock features. Interlocking doors. Dual doors cannot be opened simultaneously. The clean side door only unlocks after a successful, verified sterilization cycle. Pressure lock. Prevents doors from opening while the internal chamber is pressurized or at a high temperature. Obstruction sensor. Reverses or stops sliding door motion immediately if an obstacle or user is detected. Low water cutoff. Protects internal electric steam generators from dry burn damage. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.